Hey everybody, it's Beatrice here with another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning the half double crochet. And for today's tutorial, you're going to need a crochet hook. And since we're just practicing, it can be any size hook. You need a pair of scissors and you need something to practice on. So if you watched my first video on the single crochet, this is the same sample that I used in that video. So let's get started learning how to crochet the half double crochet. So the first thing you want to do is, we don't need to worry about these tails because those were just practice from the other video. If you want to thread them in or weave them in, that's fine too, but for this tutorial we're not even going to worry about them because our main focus right now is that half double crochet stitch. So just grab a yarn, any color, because again this is just a practice. So for this tutorial I'll be using orange so that you can differentiate between the yellow and the orange. So just make a slip knot. This is how I make my slip knots. I just roll the yarn over my finger and double it over and take the back long string and yarn it over my finger and then pull the top over. But however you would like to make a slip knot that's comfortable to you, go for it. So what we're going to just do is take that slip knot from the back to the back of the yarn, and you're going to insert your hook in this single crochet, because this round that we made is a single crochet stitch. And then again we're going to take our yarn and we're going to pull it through the slip knot into the first single crochet. Okay? Now chain one. Now for the half double crochet, you're going to, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that very next stitch to the left. This stitch right here to the left. Oh, let's see if I can get that camera. Okay. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook. Now the hook is inserted into that stitch. And your yarn is on your left hand with a little bit of tension. Okay? You're going to yarn over, pull it through, and now you have 3 loops. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. Okay? So you've just made your first half double crochet. And now we're going to continue practicing. So it's yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. Okay? So this is the half double crochet. So again, yarn over, pull through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. If you have 3 loops, you're doing good, because that's what we want. We want the 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So it's very simple. If you're a beginner, don't be alarmed, don't be scared. It just takes a little bit of practice and you'll be an expert. Because if you watched my first video on the single crochet, you're an expert on crocheting the single stitch. Now you're going to be a rock star with the half double crochet. Okay, so let's keep going. Yarn over, insert your stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, okay? If you get lost or stuck or hit a speed bump, you can always rewind the video and just follow the steps and you'll be a pro in no time. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay? Crocheting just takes practice. Okay? here we have the half double crochet. This will come in handy when you start to make bigger projects or blankets where you have to master the half double crochet. So first we had the single crochet in yellow, then we have the half double crochet in orange. So hopefully you got a hang of it, and I suggest just keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.